everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we will be tackling a big question I get asked all the time. Is it still possible to make good money in marketing in 2026? With AI taking over, competition getting tougher, and the digital landscape changing every single day, it's easy to wonder if the golden age of marketing is over. Is it too late to jump in? Let's break it down. First, let's get the big fear out of the way. AI. Is it going to take all the marketing jobs? The short answer is no. But it is going to change them. Repetitive tasks like basic data analysis, scheduling posts, or writing simple ad copy. Yeah, AI is getting really good at that. But here's the thing. AI is a tool, not a replacement for a strategist. It can't replicate human creativity, emotional intelligence, or the ability to build genuine relationships with a community. In 2026, the marketers who thrive will be the ones who learn to master AI, using it to automate the boring stuff so they can focus on strategy, creative campaign ideas, and understanding the deep psychological drivers of their audience. Think of yourself as a pilot, and AI is your advanced cockpit. You still need to know where you're going and how to fly the plane. So, where will the money be? Let's look at a few key areas that are set to explode. First up, specialization. The days of being a general marketer are fading. In 2026, the big bucks will go to the specialists. Think about becoming the absolute go-to expert in a specific niche. This could be something like life cycle marketing for e-commerce brands, SEO for SaaS companies, or even something super specific like community building on emerging platforms. Brands will pay a premium for true experts who can deliver measurable results, not just generalists who can do a little bit of everything. So, pick a lane, go deep, and become the best. Next, let's talk about the creator economy and personal branding. This isn't just for influencers anymore. Marketers who build their own personal brands will have a massive advantage. Why? Because trust is the most valuable currency online. When you have a strong personal brand, you're not just another applicant or agency, you're a trusted authority. This opens doors to high-paying consulting gigs, lucrative brand partnerships, and the ability to launch your own products or courses. By 2026, your reputation and the community you build around your expertise will be one of your greatest financial assets. Start building that brand. Today, share your knowledge, post your insights, and engage with others in your field. Another huge area is the intersection of data and creativity. We're flooded with data, but most companies don't know what to do with it. The marketers, who will be indispensable in 2026, are the ones who can look at a spreadsheet of data, pull out a compelling human story, and then turn that story into a creative campaign that connects with people on an emotional level. It's a rare skill to be both analytical and creative. A left brain and right brain thinker. If you can bridge that gap, you'll be able to name your price. Learn how to use data analytics tools, but also spend time honing your storytelling and copywriting skills. Finally, we can't ignore the importance of community. People are tired of being sold to. They crave connection and belonging. Brands know this, and they are desperate for marketers who can build and nurture authentic communities. This isn't just about managing a Facebook group. It's about creating a space where customers feel valued, heard, and connected to the brand's mission. Community managers who can foster genuine engagement and turn customers into superfans will be incredibly valuable. This is a skill that requires empathy, communication, and a real passion for people things that AI can't replicate. So, to answer the original question, can you still make great money in marketing in 2026? Absolutely, yes. But it won't be by following the 2020 playbook. You need to adapt. Embrace AI as your co-pilot. Specialize in a high-demand niche. Build your personal brand. Merge data with creativity and master the art of community building. The opportunities will be different, but for those who are willing to evolve, they will be bigger than ever. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss our next video. What marketing skills are you focusing on for the future? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.